Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you your purchase could not be completed. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting apps and type on Apple ID banner name and scroll down and type on sign out, and after 1 minute you have signed in and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back next method and open your again settings and scroll down and type on screen time, scroll down and type on content and privacy restriction, and you as can see turn off the toggle content and privacy restriction. You have turn on and type on iTunes and App Store purchase and type on in app purchase. You as can see show two option, allow and don't allow. You have select allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method and go back your home screen and open again settings and type on Apple ID banner name, scroll down and type on media and purchase and type on view account and scroll down and tap on purchase history. You have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, then paid for them or remove them. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and type on country or region and tap on again country region and select your country. Anyone, I have select United States. Terms and condition, read carefully and tap on agree and tap on again agree, and from here select payment method. I have select none and put your information street city. This formation is fake, you can write information. Select your state is California and put your zip code. California zip code is 90201 and put your phone number and type on next. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.